On the 88th birth anniversary of late Mathadi leader and former MP Anna Saheb Patil, an event was organized at Mathadi Bhavan in which Union Minister for Labour and Environment Bhupendra Yadav showed his presence. Mathadi Bhushan Award was given to the old registered workers of the Mandal. The great work of Anna Saheb proves that Anna Saheb created his place as a social organization. I salute him on the occasion of 88th birth anniversary of the leader who fought for the enactment of Mathadi Act, said Union Minister for Labour and Environment Bhupendra Yadav. He further said that in order to bring justice to the unorganized, insecure workers, we have launched an e-labour portal by the central government. Millions of workers have registered on this portal. Narendra Patil also requested that all his workers should register on this e-labour portal. Come to Delhi with your colleagues for the just demands of our Mathadi workers. We'll definitely solve the problems of our workers by discussing their demands in detail, as it is the responsibility of our government to ensure safe and dignified life of the workers. Former Chief Minister and Leader of Opposition Devendra Fadnavis said that Anna Saheb gave direction to the lives of Maratha community and Mathadi workers and improved their lives. It is Anna Saheb's revolutionary movement that has brought dignity to the Mathadi workers by lifting the burden of poverty, labour and burdens. He said that if he was in power, the remaining issues would have been resolved, but he assured that he would do the same in future. He further said, I have known Union Minister Bhupendra Ji for the last several years. BJP MLA Ganesh Naik said that Anna Saheb's time in the labour movement was not a time of honour but of struggle. All the present leaders should make continuous efforts to ensure the survival of Mathadi Act, which they created through the struggle. The program was moderated by Popat Rao Deshmukh, Joint General Secretary of Association, while Gulab Rao Jagtap, Executive President Mathadi, thanked the participants. Former Minister Raj Purohit, MLA Mandatai Matre, MLA Prasad Lad, MLA Niranjan Davkhare, former MLA Sandeep Naik, former MP Sanjeev Naik, former Mayor Sagar Naik, along with other important members were present. Riya Chirania's report with cameraman Sandeep for Palika Prasashan, Navi Mumbai.